The Hoot Crawford trial wrapped up tonight after over 2 hours of jury deliberation. Crawford was on trial for interfering with child custody back in May of 22. As News 13's Courtney Fegley reports, some were shocked when they heard the verdict.
Count 1, the defendant is guilty as charged for interference with child custody. Count 2, the defendant is guilty as charged of tampering with a witness or a victim.
The jury decided Crawford was in the wrong when he left the Child Advocacy Center with a young girl he was representing in a sexual assault case on May 6 of 2022. Prosecutors say Crawford also tried convincing his client to lie about the sexual assault allegations and say she made it up.
He was trying to get her to testify untruthfully by trying to get her to say that this didn't happen. And he was trying to get her to withhold testimony by constantly talking over her and not letting her speak.
Crawford's defense attorney, Don Pumphrey, claims Crawford didn't ask his client to lie, and he left the CAC with the girl to protect her. Pumphrey says the victim shouldn't have been taken from her family in the first place.
When does the government think they know better than the parents? When does the government think that they know better than the children's own family?
Crawford was approached by a Department of Children and Families worker in the CAC parking lot saying his client was in state custody, but he left with the child anyway.
I'm asking you very kindly to get a judge to order it. Please, I'll be at my office. You'll be there with me.
Pumphrey says law enforcement should be more concerned with the girl's attacker and not Crawford.
If your true purpose is that you're trying to protect this child, why rip her away from her family? Why not go to the root of the problem and do your job?
But the state still proved Crawford guilty of his crimes.
I submit to you that there is no doubt that he did both of those. And I ask you to find the defendant guilty as charged.
In Panama City, Courtney Fegley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Crawford faces up to 10 years in prison, but the prosecution says they are not pursuing jail time for Crawford. He's currently out on bond. Sentencing is set for April 16th.